Hello everyone, welcome back to another session of Bootstrap tutorial. So in this session, we are going to see about how to create full width Jumbotrons. So inside my body tag, so we already know what is all this. We have included the script and JavaScript, and then the link for the CSS and HTML, and the JavaScript code is included in the head of the HTML document. So inside the body, I'm going to create the Jumbotron. Okay, so herein I am taking a div class, and then I am saying div tag, and I said class is equal to Jumbotron. Okay, so class is equal to Jumbotron, and let me give some color to the Jumbotron. Okay, so I'll do the basic one, and then we'll um, create add more styling to it. Okay, so I just have created a Jumbotron, and inside this Jumbotron I'll be taking the display. Okay, so which is display 4. Okay, so I want a display 4 class, and then I want to say hello class. Okay, so hello class, and then I'm closing this h1 tag. Okay, so then I'm taking a paragraph. I am typing this is Jumbotron class. Okay, so this is my paragraph. I'm closing the paragraph, and I'm taking a horizontal rule, and then I'm writing one more paragraph. Example of Jumbotron fluid. Okay, so Jumbotron fluid. So let us see. So this is another paragraph, and then um, after this, I am closing my div tag. Okay, fine. So let me just show you the execution of this. So you can see that there are rounded edges on four corners. You can see that there are rounded edges. So to make you understand it clearly, I'm giving a color to it. So I'm saying BG danger. I'm giving a color to the Jumbotron. So you can see that there are rounded edges. Okay, so at the edges there is rounding and all that. And since I didn't put it inside a container, so it is spanning across the entire width of the screen. Okay, so since I didn't put it in the container, so you can also put it in the container. So I'm adding one more class over here, which is container. So when I add the container, so you'll be able to see that this will have some margins and all that. Okay, so as I refresh this, you can see that this Jumbotron is inside the container now. Okay, fine. So let me tell you what is meant by fluid. So here I am taking Jumbotron. I'm giving Jumbotron hyphen fluid. Okay, so observe it very carefully. So what will happen when I give Jumbotron fluid? It's a class, so I gave it inside the div class. So div class is equal to Jumbotron, and say Jumbotron hyphen fluid, and then I gave a color which is BG hyphen danger. So as I refresh this, you can see that the edges have become more sharp. Okay, so the edges have become sharp, and the text also came to the front. Okay, so since this is fluid, it will be using the full just like your container fluid, it will be using there won't be any margins and all that. It will start, the text will start from the beginning of the Jumbotron. So that's the difference between Jumbotron fluid and Jumbotron. Okay, right. So I hope everybody understood this. Say for example, I'm creating a container inside the Jumbotron. So I have created a container inside the Jumbotron, and then I have put this display and all this inside the container, which is inside the Jumbotron. So when I refresh this, you can see that it started off from the beginning because it's Jumbotron fluid, and its sharp edges are there, and since I didn't put any container, so it started off from the beginning, and inside the text have been placed inside the container. So that's why the text has started off a bit with some margin over here. So I hope everybody understood. In the previous case, when I was putting the container outside, so let me again show you. When I have put the container outside, you can see that the text started off right here in the Jumbotron. But now when I have put the container inside the Jumbotron, so it started off inside the container. So there is some gap over here, and then the text have started. Okay, so this is the example of Jumbotron Fluid. Thank you for watching.